Hey everyone, Pat Mitchell here, and in this free day trading lesson from TrickTrades, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful short selling setups and how not to miss it. So let's get into it. Make sure to stick around because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you something simply amazing. Okay, folks, so there are certain setups in day trading that work just absolutely amazing. They're my go-to setups and strategies, and this is what I teach every day at TrickTrades.com. Chat, we do it live via screen share. Also, my extensive video lesson library is second to none. It's not your average run-of-the-mill video lesson library, but um, they're really in depth. They're very easy to understand. As I'm sure you've went through my YouTube videos, you can tell I just do things a little bit differently. I keep things very simple because at the beginning, let's be honest, guys. I mean, it's super confusing. There's a lot of information with day trading, and it can be very intimidating. And that's why I like to keep things nice and simple. So, first off, I just want to show you. We'll just take a minute here. I want to pull something in and share something with you because I love it. I'm so happy with it. So, Trick Trades presents Savage Scans. Don't worry, this will only take a minute, folks. So what Savage Scans is a basically it's how to build and customize trade ideas scans like a badass. And what it comes with is roughly a 3.5 hour long. It's just under 3.5 hour long DVD that's streamed, and it's in typical Trick Trades fashion. It's amazing education, very in depth, very easy to follow. That you'll be able to basically build these scans that I'm going to show you. You'll be able to build them for yourself. Okay, so it's comes with the just under 3.5 hour long DVD, and then it comes with two packages, the full throttle, which is everything, every scan that we use at Trick Trades, and then some. And then we have the package two, which are the VWAP strategies only. These VWAP strategies, they're absolutely insane. They're not what people think. They think it's just some regular average scanner. It's not, guys. These took months of back testing to to really tweak and really hammer down. The short strategy comes with 6 builds, and the long strategy comes with 3 builds. So make sure to check this out. I'll leave the link below in the description box. Don't be afraid to click it. There's lots of really good information on here. It'll tell you everything that you need to know. So, as promised, guys, we'll get into it. Also, maybe before we get into it, leave a comment in the box below and let me know what other types of day trading setups you want me to go over and discuss in depth. Yeah, leave a comment and I'll get to them definitely. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into this setup. Okay, now this was an alert directly off of the Trick Trades VWAP slap. This right here, um, absolutely amazing scanner. So it alerted this to us, and I want to show a proper way to use scanners because some people will just dismiss it because it's labeled VWAP. Okay, it blew through the VWAP, they dismiss it. No. Don't be doing that, guys. You're missing out on massive opportunity. You know, it went over and goes up to the next resistance area, which is the 50 EMA on the 1 minute, right? Use it. Use that 50 EMA. That's your best friend. The 50 EMA and the VWAP are your best friend in day trading. I can't stress that enough. If you don't have that on your chart, you're selling yourselves short. So what happens here is you'll get that force, that downward momentum, okay? Now at some point it's going to bounce and it's going to retrace, okay? It has to. You're going to have shorts covering, you're going to have longs coming in to buy the dip. You're going to get that bounce. So if you're patient enough, and it usually happens right around this time, right around 10 o'clock, right? So the first half an hour it sells off, and then it bases, it finds a bottom. So on APTV, it found a base at 88.75. Basically the 89 area, and it came back up and it retraced. Okay, where did it retrace into? The whole round number of 90. Guys, how many times have I shown you video lessons where it retraces into a whole number and rejects? Come on, you know this is pretty simple stuff when you really break it down. You just need the right guy to show you how to do it, and I'm your guy, folks. So it goes through the VWAP, and that's fine. That's fine. You got a lot of shorts that probably piled in, okay? So it's natural for these things to retrace. Just wait for a solid. Don't just start shorting right at the VWAP. You got to wait for confirmation. Okay, and this setup gives you tons of time to get in. Tons of time. So it pops up, clears over the VWAP. Your next area to watch is the 50 EMA / the 90. Okay, so I want to put up Okay, so now we got a line marked out at 90, okay? So it just barely popped through that and rejected the 50 EMA right there, right in this area where it's still consolidating. Get in, jump in, risk off of highs here, and that's it. That's all you can do. You got very limited risk, okay? You've only got about, I don't know, 20-cent risk on a $90 stock. Do you guys understand how incredible that risk reward is? Like, these are setups that we take every day at TrickTrades, guys. Like, this isn't anything special. I don't want you to think that I'm picking out examples that are like the best of. No. These are average trades that we take. There's nothing special about them. But look at what you could have made off of it. It didn't give you a sell signal till right here when it put in the higher low. $3.43 a share, guys. $3.43 a share. Now you may be looking at the price, okay? Now you're all concerned that, well, it's a $90 stock. How do I get in that with a small account? Guys, with this much range, you don't need a lot of shares. 100 shares would have made you $343. Okay? 50 shares, right? 150, 160, $170. Guys, what more do you want to build a small account? It's safe. All you had was 20-cent risk. So with 100 shares, you're risking $20 to make 343. It's a no-brainer, guys. These are the strategies and the setups that I show at TrickTrades.com each and every day in chat, and I walk my members through, okay? So there is another setup on this that I like to use, and so if you would have missed this, right, this tag, this retrace, you could get in here. That's another area, and then you could risk off of the previous highs. So if you would have got in here, you're risking about 40 cents on a $90 stock. So you're risking $40 on 100 shares. It's not bad. And you're still looking to make well over $3 a share, so $300, right? It's about building your accounts. You guys got to remember, I know a lot of you guys want to call yourselves traders, and I hate to burst your bubble, folks, but you're not traders yet. You're account builders. It's a different way to look at it, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that. So stop looking yourself as so much a trader and look at yourself. Your job right now is to build your account. Take your job serious. When you get a $300 win, okay, so you would have made about $300 on this trade off of 100 shares. So you can range that however you want depending on your share size. So let's say you made a few $100. Guys, be happy with that. That's a home run. People, I know you guys have seen this on Twitter. They're happy with like 10 or 15 cents. Guys, that's nonsense. Like, screw 10 and 15-cent trades. I don't know how to take a trade off at 10 or 15 cents. It's a waste of my time. I don't bother with that. You know, and then, then you get the other people that say, well, you take 5,000 shares and 10 cents is a lot of money. Well, no, but you're what about when it goes against you 40 cents? Because it can with those small caps. Guys, this is a better way of doing it. I want you guys to trust me on this. Please listen to me. Just listen to me. You don't have to trust me, just listen to me. Okay? Like, I don't think you guys realize how much I want you guys to have the same life I do. I'm just a regular guy, okay? I was a contract welder in northern Alberta, Canada. Okay, I owned and operated my own welding truck. I've been welding since I was, wow. I mean, I started doing it professionally. I started apprenticing in grade 11. I was 16 years old, right? So, guys, I know you can do it. So come along, come join TrickTrades, check us out. You're not going to be disappointed. This is the sort of stuff that I go over. And it's not only, we don't just trade off of our scanners, guys. I have an amazing watch list that I put out every night via video, and it's extremely detailed. It lets you know what to watch for. I go over the pre-market plan of attack. I make sure that my members are prepared, okay? So, and then we'll use the scanner plays as this time of day, right? Because a lot of my setups are for first thing in the morning, so I look to get involved with them and catch things short or long, and then I catch a few more trades off the scanner, and we're killing it right now. Well, every other day trading chat room is trying to chase garbage penny stocks that blow up people's accounts, and we're hammering real company stocks, and we're taking it for thousands of dollars a day, guys. And this shit's easy if you're patient. It's easy, period. But you got to be patient. So this is one of my most profitable setups. I love this setup. Now that I've shown it to you, you got to do me a favor. You got to promise to hit that subscribe button. Hit the like and hit the subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below letting me know what other day trading setups you guys want to see. And make sure to click the link in the description box. And I'm also going to leave a link because I want you guys to have access to an account, a trading account, that has more than enough buying power to play these proper stocks. Stop thinking that you're stuck with these shitty brokers like SureTrader that still only give you 6-to-1 margin. And it's not enough to play proper stocks, guys, okay? And don't be afraid of margin, okay? I know there's a certain somebody out there that warns against trading with margin. Not if it's used properly. It's your friend, guys, okay? It can help you if you do this correctly and you take the steps and risk management that I teach my members each and every day. So I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below. So make sure to check them out. I love you all. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Adios.